Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 42 video on my Python series, and in this video I am going to cover about list reverse function. So let's start. I have some slides regarding that. So reverse method reverses the element of a given list. So it's a straightforward function. As the name suggests, it is going to reverse the list itself. It will not do anything, it will just going to reverse it, and it doesn't take any argument. The reverse method doesn't take any arguments. We can call directly reverse function upon a list. The reverse function doesn't return any value. It only reverses the element and update the list. So the return type of the reverse function is nothing, none, and it is going to update the original list only. So let us see some example to understand it clearly. Suppose I have lst, and inside that I have some random variables. Suppose let's add some complex data type 5 plus 6j. Let's reverse the list lst dot reverse. Directly you can call the reverse function and it will be updated inside your original list. At first it is 1 2 3 4 like this, and after that it is coming from right to left direction. At first it is coming complex number hello 998654321. So it is some straightforward function that can be used to reverse a list. So reverse method is comes under list data structure. That's why you can call upon list only lst dot reverse. But in case of string, we don't have such function. We have to use the string slicing technique to reverse the string. I have already discussed how to reverse a string variable. So in case of list, we have a inbuilt function called reverse that we can use to reverse the list variable. So let us do some slicing technique to reverse the list variable. Suppose this is my list. Suppose I want to reverse it. Again I want to show it from right to left. I can do that lst. I don't want to pass any start index, end index, and the direction I want to see. In this way also you can reverse the list. This is called slicing technique. Here the start index, end index we are not passing, and we are passing the direction from where you want to traverse. You are traversing from right to left. That's why the negative signs indicating, and one indicating the number of steps you want to jump. 1, then 2, it is landing on 2, that's why printing 2. 3, landing on 3, that's why printing 3. After one step 4, it's landing on 4, it's printing 4. Like this you have to traverse from right to left. So this is the two technique that you can use to reverse a particular list variable. So friends, this is all about list reversal. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.